Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to fix these little crispy crinkle fries in the air fryer. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you want your fries to be evenly distributed in your fry basket. It's okay if some of them are on top of each other. It's not the end of the world, but just try to distribute them as evenly as possible. And then I like to use my sprayer and just add a little bit of peanut oil. Yeah, so while they do have some oil on them already, the peanut oil adds such a nice flavor. And then I will put just a little sea salt. That might be a little much. Okay, so I will add that these are from Lidl. So I do a lot of my shopping at Lidl. That's why there's no big brand logos or anything. It's just I guess a Lidl brand. But let's look at the cooking instructions. So they're saying in a regular oven to cook at 450, put them in a single layer, bake them for 12 minutes, turn them, and then do another 8 or 12. So these really cook for a long time. The air fryer only goes up to 400 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it for the 400, and then I'm going to set the cook time for 10 minutes. And then we're going to check on them and we'll see where we are. And probably at that time we'll shake the basket and maybe spritz them again and put it back in. Okay, I want you to see this. See how in here there's steam coming out? That is totally normal. When you're using your air fryer, steam will escape and it comes out from here. So there's no problem. Don't flip out if you see anything like that. You have to think those are frozen French fries that are in there, so they're going to release moisture as the air fryer works. And the air fryer basically is just like a super high-powered convection oven. So it works by forcing super hot air all around your food. So yeah, it's going to have the French fries are going to release a lot of moisture as they cook. So yeah, don't flip. And you can even see there's a little condensation there, and that's okay. That's normal. Our first part of the cook time is up. And we know it's up because this has gone dark. The fan is still running. And then when your fan, when your fan cuts off, then the machine will signal, but you can open it anytime. So here's where we are at 10 minutes. And you know what? These look pretty darn good. But we're going to shake the basket. Shake them around. And we're going to spritz them again. Okay. And we're going to put them in. We're going to go another, let's just say like 5 minutes. What I find is, if you don't do a long enough cook time, like your fries may not be cooked all the way through. And so this particular French fry called for a long bake with a traditional oven. So it's only natural to expect it to take a little bit longer of a bake or an air fry in the air fryer. So, but it's still, it's faster than using the oven because you don't have to preheat anything. And it's so nice because you just literally set it and you can walk away. I absolutely love it because it will turn itself off. So it's not like when you have something in the oven, you have to really be mindful, or in my case, I always have to set a timer or I will forget. And this doesn't let you forget. It counts its time down all on its own, which I personally love. This machine is a Cook's Essential, and I got it on QVC. I personally really love QVC products, and this is not sponsored. This is my own air fryer that I bought, and I use it for a lot of stuff. I have never actually used any of these presets. It's got them for everything, so maybe we'll experiment with some of the presets and see what we get. I'm going to also add that the sprayer is the EVO sprayer that I just bought through QVC when I got my air fryer, because it was, frankly, it was just easy. It was there, it was available, it shipped together, and that worked. I guess probably the best thing is, if you want to use different kinds of oil, is to get a few of these. But I've been using just the peanut oil when I fry anything that needs any extra oil. You know, it's good enough for Chick-fil-A. It's certainly good enough for my cooking. And yeah, so that's the sprayer I use. And that's been fine. I don't have experience with any other sprayers, but yeah, I think this one's good. Okay, we got like a minute left. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? Ooh, you can hear them singing. Some of them might be a little bit crispy-ish. So maybe the way to cook these is to do like an initial 8-minute cook time, and then I would say back off and do maybe 4 minutes when you flip them. But yeah, let's go ahead and get them plated and test them for crispiness. Okay, so my ketchup is also Lidl, I think. Yeah, Lidl. No, I'm really into Lidl. They're priced so well. So I like to dip my French fries into the ketchup. So let's see how they are. It's very good. I think the little extra cook time is just what they needed. They're nice and creamy all the way through. While still very crunchy on the outside. And I would like to also say that my little dish is also from QVC. Came in a set. I'm like nuts for QVC. They're very good. I would add that putting the salt on before cooking really lets that sink in. And I fancied it up a little bit, and I chopped some parsley, so it just looks pretty. I would say that the crinkle cut fries in the air fryer are a definite yes, and I think if you have picky kids, they would totally enjoy these. I would not say it's a healthy meal, but I would say it's a bit healthier than what you're going to get in a drive-thru. Okay, so that's what I have. I hope you enjoyed seeing these. yummy, delicious crinkle cut fries cooked in the Cook's Essential Air Fryer. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.